the question is not defining in any way how long time it takes to make the transformation from whatever legacy you're on to a modern core system. Not going into details with that, but simply addressing what can you do to accelerate it. So regardless how long time you're planning it will take, what can you do to do it faster?
That's an excellent question, and I think it goes to the different possibilities that you have, right? I think there is no one answer fits all here. The acceleration of the core system modernization, I think, goes with also the componentization and the appification. Because before, when we were talking about the monolithic world, right, you need to do a completely migration of your system into a new one that needed to be installed with all its components. I think today you have some routes that you can take, right? There is one which is known as the middle layer, which we see as the acceleration route, which basically is you can literally kill your, I mean, not literally, but you can kill your legacy system gradually, right? So you do not need to go all the way through it. You have the opportunity to keep the record piece and start having middle layers to connect, especially if you have multiple core systems, which is a reality for many insurers. You have core A, B, C, D, and you can have a orchestration layer or API layer connecting your back end with your front end.